Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to download and install Sublime Text Editor. It's a very easy and simple lecture for beginners who are starting at computer and coding. I'll show you the steps to download and installing each and every step by step process. Let's begin here. Open Google Chrome browser or any of the browser which you are comfortable. So once you open, just hit Sublime Text. There is a download option is also here. So hit Sublime Text. You will find an option downloads. Either you can go directly here or you open sublimetext.com website. See, here it is showing simply download for Windows. Directly it is showing in a button. Simply it's showing like a download for Windows. See, I told you to install this editor in different operating systems. How it is possible? Linux, Mac. See, whichever the operating system you need is, you can download it and write the coding. So for Windows it is showing like this. Alright, here I'm choosing for download for Windows option to getting this software. So hit on download for Windows. See, it's downloading. So once it is download is completed, in the bottom you may see just double click or right click and open. If it is double click, you will get the this window, like you need to user account control plus S and see setup Sublime Text Editor window you are getting here. The setup file we are initiating to start installation process. So here you will get in a path where to install this software. You need not to change anything. Click next. By default it is going to be installed on C drive. Click next. Install. Wow. See, it depends upon system specification and configuration to be taken for installation time. Maybe it's a low process and low memory, you will get some time, like a few seconds delay. Otherwise you will get completed quickly. So completing submit wizard, you just click on finish. Minimize this. Go to start button. You will see here Sublime Text here. When you press the start button, you will see the Sublime Text. Or else you will find, like by scrolling this program files, you will get like a Sublime Text Editor folder, and to access from here, if you are hitting this one, you will get directly open Sublime Text Editor in your computer system. Alright, this is the Sublime Text Editor. So I'll tell you how to create and how to start the functionality with the using of Sublime Text Editor. In next lecture we'll see what are the overviews and how HTML pages will be created. We'll see about it. Thank you.